Hi everyone, this is Praktis Formatif of Chapter 4, question number 12. Salma buys 15 types of flowers to make a floral hoop. It is found that only 10 flowers is needed. So how many ways can a floral hoop be produced? So in this case, the floral hoop can be flipped over. So this is when the direction doesn't matter. So over here, we shall use the formula NPR over 2R. Okay, right, therefore for part A, we have 15, so N equals to 15 and R is only 10. Therefore, the number of ways will be 15P10 divided by 2 divided by 10. Okay, therefore, with the help of calculator, so 15 P 10 and then divided by 20. Okay, so the answer is 544,864,320 ways. That's a lot. Okay, so we have 544,864,320 ways. Okay, and next for part B, we need to find the number of ways to make a bracelet which contain 8 pearls chosen from 16 different pearls. So N equals to 16, all right, R equals to 8, and the bracelet, you can always flip over. So the direction doesn't really matter, okay? Therefore, the number of ways will be 16P8 divided by 2 times 8. All right, let's get the help from the calculator. We have 16P8, 16P8, and then divided by 2 times 8, so which is 16. Therefore, the answer is 32,432,400. Right, 432,400. Okay, that's it. We found the answer for permutation in a circle, which we can flip over, like bracelet, like the flower hoop. Right, sitting around a table, it's impossible for us to flip it over. That's why we only divide by the R. But the one that can flip over, we have to divide again for another 2. All right, that's it for question number 12.